very clearly how the InterLink KYC process is going to be done. So what is this? KYC is not that easy. There is a chance that it will be a little complicated there. So try to know the complete process. There are 3 levels in it. So a mistake at any step, your KYC will be rejected. Carefully the first time. So I will explain the complete process clearly in this video, and you also have to explain this matter very clearly to your downlines technically. So take their KYC as your responsibility and try to do their KYC. So watch the video till the end. If someone is watching our channel for the first time and you find... Let's get into the topic. So if you want to verify the tokens that you have mined for so many days, then you definitely have to complete the KYC process. The people who verify the KYC process are called validators. Recently, we got some information about the validator on the InterLink official X page. So validators have been selected from many countries, but no one knows who they are yet. So we don't even know who has been selected. These curators verify our CVs. You can select the curator of your choice. In the version file, we will see the option called verify. So after clicking on it in the first step, in step 1, you have to select the curator. So how to select that curator? You will see the option called find curator. If you click on it, you will see different curators. Under their name, how many people are still in the queue, that is how many people have selected them. See thousands of applications there. The same, whoever you select will be successful only if you submit it properly. If you do not submit it properly, it will fail. Which country curator is not mandatory. So if someone has a short list, try to select them, then you have a chance of getting a little faster. So now I think you have got some clarity. There are no rules. Regarding the curators, you have a chance to select anyone. The first step you have to do is select a curator. So when you select someone, you can cancel them if you want more than one. It will be too late. Let's say that even if it is 1 or 2 or 3 days, your KYC is not started yet. So what do you think then? So apart from this curator, it would be better if I select another curator as well. You can cancel it and select another curator as well. Again, there will be a queue from the first. That is why when you select based on how long that queue is. So I think you have got an idea about the first step. So to go from this first step to the second step, whichever curator you have selected, they will have to take your application. So when they take your application, then the second step starts. This second step is very, very important. So when a curator selects you, that is, he takes your application for further KYC, then you will have a 24-hour countdown in the app. Carefully here, there will be a total of 3 levels in the second step. So in the first level, you have to select your country first. So after selecting the government ID, it can be Aadhaar card, PAN card, or voter ID or passport. It can be your passport. If you are under 18, it can be birth certificate. If any of these is a front and back photo, you have to upload it. In the second step, in level 1, you have to upload the front photo and the back photo of whatever your government ID is. Now let's talk about the second level in the second step. The second and third levels are a little confusing. You have to submit here with a little care. So what you have to do in the second level is, what you want to upload in the second level, write InterLink in your right hand, plus the date of that day, the date of the day on which you are submitting, and hold it in your right hand. Hold it in your right hand. And in your left hand, whatever card you uploaded first. For example, let's say you uploaded your Aadhaar card in step 1. So you have to hold the front photo of the same card in your left hand like this. That is so that the details are visible. You should put the InterLink plus the date on a white paper in your right hand, and on your left hand, take a photo of the front photo of the card you uploaded so that your photo is visible. You should submit that photo in the second level. Okay, so you have to submit the second level like this. And in the second step, the third level is another photo that you have to upload. This is the third level. In the first level, you have uploaded the front and back of your Aadhaar card. In the second level, you put the interlink plus the date on a paper and put a photo of your card in your other hand. Yeah. And so these two levels are over. And in the third level, you have the phone on which you are mining InterLink. So open your InterLink app on that phone and take another photo that shows your ITL. In this way, you will complete the second step. The process is not that easy. It is a little complicated. Whatever the three levels are in the second step, you have to do them a little carefully. Even if you make a small mistake, there is a chance that your KYC will be rejected. That is why you should take your time very carefully. So in those 24 hours, you do not have to fill it immediately in 5 minutes. So you will have a countdown. Slowly complete the first step and check everything. After that, the second and the third. So carefully watch what the process is and the KYC will be done or done. So in this way, when you complete the second step, everything you submit in the second step will automatically go to the curator there. So instead of the curators taking everything and giving you approval, if there is anything wrong, they will reject it. So in this way, in 3 steps, we will do KYC. So this is what will happen to your downlines. If we do it incorrectly, it will be done quickly, but be careful and take care. I think I have given you some clarity about KYC in this video. If you still have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So let's meet again with another good video.